The humble pear, often overlooked in the vast array of fruits, presents itself with a myriad of textures and flavors. Scientifically known as Pyrus, this fruit is appreciated not only for its sweet taste but also for its versatility in culinary uses. The texture of a pear, whether smooth or rough, can significantly influence its culinary applications and consumer preferences. The skin of a pear, often considered a primary determinant of texture, can range from velvety smooth to considerably rough. The smooth skin varieties, such as the Bartlett pear, are often prized for their juicy flesh and delicate texture. These pears are often enjoyed fresh, in salads, or as a simple snack. On the other hand, rough-skin varieties like the Bosc pear have a more robust texture that holds up well to cooking and baking, making them ideal for pies, tarts, and roasted dishes. The perception of texture is also influenced by factors such as ripeness and growing conditions. A pear that is allowed to ripen on the tree tends to develop a smoother texture compared to those that are picked early and ripen off the tree. Moreover, the soil type, climate, and agricultural practices can also play a critical role in determining the fruit's final texture. In essence, the question of whether a pear is smooth or rough is not merely a matter of classification, but a delicate interplay of variety, growing conditions, and culinary uses. Understanding these nuances can enhance the appreciation and enjoyment of this sweet fruit. Therefore, next time you reach for a pear, take a moment to consider its texture and the journey it has undergone from orchard to table.